Alright, what's happening, peeps? Today, I'm having a little trouble with my toilet here, so I'm going to show you. I've already kind of started, but decided to do a little video. So what we had here is this old coil wire was up here, and it was leaking from the coil and it was dripping down. I tried to replace this fill tank and the valve, but that was no hope. So what it's looking like is I'm going to have to replace this whole supply line. With an old coil like this, it's best, easiest really, to just replace this whole valve. So what we have back here, what you'll need is some wrenches, adjustable wrench or anything like that, and we're going to have to grab a hold of this back nut here with one pair of them, and then we're going to grab another wrench and twist this. So you want to hold this steady, that's coming from the house, and then we're going to twist off this valve. Get some towels underneath here if you need to, and cut off the water supply. Don't leave the water supply on or you're going to have a hot mess. So we'll disconnect this, and then now we're going to turn this bad boy off. Like I said, my left hand here is holding it steady. So you're going to have some drippage come out here. That's okay. Just get yourself a bucket or a towel underneath there. And now we know what we need to go replace. So I'll just end up taking this in, get all of my measurements. All right, back to the point of work here. Went to the store, got myself a new valve. Mine's a 1/2 inch, 3/8 outlet. I think that's probably pretty common. So finding one that had a female in took a little work, but this part will screw off for me to where I can drop it right on in there. And we also got our new hose. So it's going to be like reverse order. Alright, so since ours is not compression, we shouldn't need that valve. But if yours is, then use the valve. Alright. So we hand tighten it until we can't hand tighten it anymore. Then we give it some turns to give her nice and snug. About as snug as a bug in a rug as it can get. So next will be our supply line. So this one had a compression nut already screwed into it, as does our supply line. Supply line should already have everything ready for you. Hand tighten her until we can't tighten her anymore. And give her a little bit more love. Just a few little clicks should get you there. And we will connect to the top, to the base of your toilet here. And when you're going to the base of your toilet, it's really just a hand tighten, as good as you can get. You shouldn't have to use your pliers anymore. So there we go, we got her all connected up. Now we'll go turn on the water, see if we have any love. Water's on, you can kind of hear it filling up. Inspecting for leaks, base of toilet, hands dry, Come down here around where we started up. Hands dry. So life should be all good now. You can take a seat on this bad boy and enjoy it like you used to. Thanks for watching.